Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. With New Year's Eve just around the corner, are you looking for a fun, delicious, and super romantic way to celebrate with your special someone? Forget crowded restaurants and overpriced set menus. This year, we're bringing the romance right into your kitchen by making the most adorable and tasty heart-shaped pizzas with a special Love-Infused tomato sauce. It's way easier than it sounds, and I promise it'll make your celebration unforgettable. So, grab your apron, and let's get ready to cook up some love for 2026. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 pizza dough. You can use your favorite store-bought brand to keep things simple. Or if you're feeling adventurous, go with a homemade one. We'll also need a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, some fresh basil leaves, olive oil, salt, and pepper. For our special love sauce, you'll need a cup of tomato sauce, 1 clove of garlic, and a teaspoon of dried oregano. That's it! Simple ingredients for a truly spectacular meal. Before we start, let's get the oven preheating to 475 degrees Fahrenheit, or 245 Celsius. We want it nice and hot to get that perfect crispy crust. Now for the fun part, creating the heart shape. Take your pizza dough and place it on a lightly floured surface. Using a rolling pin, gently roll it out. Don't worry about making it a perfect circle. We're going to shape it. You can either use a large heart-shaped cookie cutter if you have one, or just do it freehand like me. I like to fold the dough in half and cut out half a heart shape along the fold, just like we did with paper hearts in school. When you unfold it, you'll have a perfect, symmetrical heart. Place your beautiful heart-shaped dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Isn't that just the cutest thing? With our heart ready, it's time to make the Love-Infused tomato sauce. This is what really elevates the pizza from just a regular dinner to a romantic experience. In a small saucepan, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. Mince 1 clove of garlic and add it to the hot oil, along with 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Let that cook for about a minute until it becomes incredibly fragrant. This step toasts the spices and infuses the oil with so much flavor. Your kitchen is about to smell amazing. Now pour in 1 cup of tomato sauce and add a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Give it all a good stir and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. This quick simmer allows all those beautiful, aromatic flavors to meld together, creating a rich, savory, and truly special sauce. Our sauce is simmered to perfection, and our dough is waiting. Let's assemble our masterpiece. Take that warm, fragrant tomato sauce and spread it evenly all over your heart-shaped pizza dough, leaving a small border around the edges for the crust. Don't be shy with it. Next, take your cup of shredded mozzarella cheese and sprinkle it generously over the sauce. Cover every inch. Now, tear up some fresh basil leaves and scatter them over the cheese. The combination of the rich tomato, creamy mozzarella, and fresh basil is a classic for a reason. It's pure perfection. You can also add any other toppings you and your partner love. Pepperoni, mushrooms, olives. Get creative and make it your own. All right, our heart-shaped pizza is assembled and looking absolutely incredible. It's time to bake. Carefully place the baking sheet into your preheated oven. We're going to bake it for about 12 to 15 minutes. You'll know it's done when the cheese is bubbly and melted, and the crust is a beautiful golden brown. The smell that will fill your house is just heavenly. Once it's done, carefully take it out of the oven and let it cool for just a minute or 2. The cheese will be molten hot. Garnish with a few more fresh basil leaves for that extra pop of color and freshness. And there you have it. A beautiful, delicious, and incredibly romantic heart-shaped pizza, made with love. Right in your own kitchen. The perfect way to ring in the new year. Slice it up, pour some bubbly, and enjoy a cozy, intimate dinner with your favorite person. It's a memory you'll both cherish. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. I hope you have a wonderful and romantic New Year's Eve. If you make this pizza, be sure to tag me in your photos on social media. I'd love to see your creations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more recipes, and hit that notification bell. Happy New Year, everyone!